Hello everyone and welcome to Crowdin. In this short video, we're going to show you how Crowdin SendPulse integration works. This integration allows you to seamlessly translate your emails with Crowdin. Just upload your emails for translation and download the translated ones back to SendPulse in just a few clicks. Let me show you how that works. To integrate Crowdin and SendPulse, you'll need to have a Crowdin Enterprise or Crowdin.com account and an already created Crowdin project. So first, we're going to install the app by visiting the Crowdin Marketplace. In the search bar, you need to type in SendPulse. Then click Install. To start the integration process, let's go to our Crowdin project. Then click Integrations. In the list of available apps, let's type in SendPulse. Click it. Now we need to connect our Crowdin account with SendPulse. For that, we need to specify your ID and secret. To get this information, let's switch to SendPulse. Then go to your account settings, API, copy the needed information, and paste it into our integration form. Now we are ready to log in. Now we're on the integration screen. On the right are all my emails in SendPulse, and on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. To upload emails to Crowdin for translation, just simply select them on the SendPulse side, and then click Sync to Crowdin. Now I'm ready to order professional translation for my content. Or I can have an automated Crowdin workflow configured to order translations whenever I synchronize new content to my project. I can see the translation progress in the status bar. Now let's check how my email appears to translators. A manager wouldn't typically visit this page very often. I just wanted to show you that Crowdin tries to provide as much contextual information as possible. This is my email in the Crowdin editor, rendered as accurately as possible. When the translations are ready, to synchronize the translated emails back, just simply select them and click Sync to SendPulse. Now let's return to SendPulse to check out our translated email. This is my email translated to French. Let's check its contents, shall we? The email looks pretty good and is ready to be sent. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and SendPulse. But there is a lot more to discover, like automatic synchronization. With Crowdin's vast area of features, you can efficiently translate your content into many different languages. Find a link in the description to start your free Crowdin trial. Thanks for watching.